AI is far more dangerous.
My worst fears are that I think if this technology goes wrong, it can go quite wrong.
Are you scared?
We're all scared that a bad guy could grab it.
The White House, the administration, regulators here in the US, do you think they're up to speed?
Not yet.
They're not ready.
Not yet.
You don't want to put a technology out like this when it's very, very powerful, because it gives society no time to adapt.
AI is not science fiction anymore. Today we already have the tools that can provide us better, faster and more sufficient results in less time. We can write, create the designs, done the research, analyze the risk to make the better plans, create the music, that too better and more sufficient than humans. These tasks I have mentioned above are just the tip of iceberg, because with the help of AI we can perform every job better, faster and more accurate than the help of humans. And because of that, on the one hand, the AI tools are making people's life easy and more productive. At the same time, these AI tools are threatening the most established jobs and businesses in the world. That's why people are losing their job.
IBM will no longer hire because there is some generative AI solution.
150,000 tech workers have been laid off in 2022.
Now, Twitter, Facebook owner Meta, now Amazon, the big tech job cuts continue. The e-commerce giants confirmed it's axing 18.
The tech sector shed more than 386,000 jobs in 2022 and the first half of 2023. And that number is climbing.
Google today joined a growing list of tech giants scaling back, adding to the tens of thousands of workers in the industry who find themselves
200,000 and counting. That's the number of tech workers who've been fired this season. How many of these are from India? Going by one estimate, anywhere between 60 and 80,000 workers in India lost their jobs, and it's not over yet.
Whether you think AI is villainized tech or making you more productive, but one thing is very clear, that this is not something that's happening for the first time, that people are getting afraid of new technology. And of course, it won't be the last. People have been afraid during all the four industrial revolutions. This feeling of getting replaced by new technologies, from the introduction of steam engine to the expansion of railways and development of for telegraph to for telephones and phones, and the advancement of computers and in the internet and technologies. But you might be wondering that why people are more terrified this time. I think the reason for that is people predicted the AI and technological advancement will replace only labor and low-skilled people. But now in the case of AI, things didn't go as predicted. AI is replacing creative jobs with high wages and high exposures than workers with the low wages. People with the white-collar jobs and clerical jobs are replaced most. Not all of them, but jobs like accounting, coders, software engineers, programmers, creators, marketing analysts. And there is a reason for that. The tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Copy.ai and other tools are performing far better and producing fast, better and more sufficient result. I'm not exaggerating the things. The job I have mentioned above are reported, World Economic Forum report. And I have said this earlier and I would say this again, that AI is not science fiction anymore. Now as the advancement of AI is growing consistently, people have two options. Either you can understand capabilities and start taking the advantage of AI tools, or you ignore this, and this fast growing and adapting technology will destroy your job and business. With this understanding of fast growing technology development like AI, we will cover the three important aspects in this video. First, why AI tools and technologies is increasing and consistently dominating the market. 2. What is the long-term societal impact of AI? 3. Are current technological advancement pushing people close to the time when humans have nothing of value to provide? Before we go ahead with the video, there is a disclaimer for everyone. See, people are afraid of the predictions that humans will be replaced by these AI tools and the advancement.
Artificial intelligence could replace the equivalent of 300 million full-time jobs, according to investment bank Goldman Sachs.
As a human, we cannot predict what future will be look like. And to make you understand that, there was a time when people were afraid of textile machines and steam engines. People thought that humans will be completely replaced by machines and advancement, but instead of replacing humans completely, it increased the massive productions, which led to the increase of the cotton trade, which eventually created the more jobs globally. Same thing happened when Google was introduced. People were afraid that why would someone hire a lawyer or dietitian or doctor or trainer or researcher when they can research anything they need on internet. So will AI replace anything that we are doing now? Absolutely. Does AI have dystopian future? Absolutely. Will there be a time when humans have nothing to offer to contribute in the economy? Absolutely not. So one thing is sure, that AI is not some villainized technology that will make you slave. It can increase your efficiency and productivity to complete the task with limited resources. And this is what we're going to explore in this video. So
the AI language tool that is fascinating and frightening people around the world.
Let's continue with our first question, that why AI tools and technologies are increasing and consistently dominating the market. The reason why AI is making big dent in industries, it's because AI is general purpose technology. And to make you understand what general purpose technology is, it has the potential to drive the significant growth in productions, which will not only increase the productivity and efficiency on individual level, but it will also impact the pre-existing jobs in the economy and alter society drastically, because the capabilities of increasing efficiency, cost effectiveness and innovations. And the previous classic example of general purpose technology is electricity, internet and steam engines. The tools like ChatGPT and other similar to AI tools can alter the society drastically, because the capabilities of increasing efficiency, cost effectiveness and innovation from a business to individual levels, which can impact the pre-existing economies. And AI is not some robotics or printing machines which was only used in production. It can be used by every individual. AI tools increasingly dominating the market because they provide businesses and individuals the competitive edge that was previously impossible to attain from individual level to business level. And this is the reason what making AI more popular. And furthermore, AI is becoming more sophisticated, accessible, which means more people can use this for their benefit. For example, previously we needed coders and designers to design website, but the AI tools like Dribble can create the stunning website in less time with less effort without any expert. And this is because AI can write codes and streamlines the design process, which allow person to take more time to think about creative aspect of their work. It's not just the coders or the designers who can take the benefit of these AIs. As we discussed earlier in the video, that almost everyone can take the advantage to perform their job better. And that's not all. AI will play a major role in the digitalization of society in the long term. It already has enabled us to collect, process and analyze the large amount of data that provide real-time feedback. AI-powered technologies has abilities to solve complex problems and make our daily life easier and more convenient. While the benefit of AI are clear, there are some important ethical and societal implications that must be considered. Privacy, security and job displacement are just few of the challenges that come with increasing use of AI.
My worst fears are that we, the field, the technology, the industry, cause significant harm to the world. I think if this technology goes wrong, it can go quite wrong, and we want to be vocal about that. We want to work with the government to prevent that from happening.
AI doesn't have to be evil to destroy humanity. If AI has a goal and humanity just happens to be in the way, it will destroy humanity as a matter of course, without even thinking about it. No hard feelings.
OpenAI CEO Sam Altman told me he's a little bit scared about this technology. Are you scared?
We're all scared that a bad guy could grab it.
The White House, the administration, regulators here in the US, do you think they're up to speed?
Not yet.
They're not ready?
Not yet. I mean,
why are they not ready?
So it is crucial that we address these concerns proactively and work to ensure that AI will use for betterment of society. But no matter how many precautions we will take, people will continue to raise question that there will be a time when these current technological advancements will push us close to a time when humans have nothing of value to provide. It doesn't matter whether we are talking about present economy or future technological advancement of AI. Our economic system do not care about the people who don't provide any kind of value. B, AI will not replace the people. It will replace the people who don't want to upgrade or don't want to know how to use AI. The only purpose of AI technologies is to improve human life and make it more productive, not to erase human existence from the jobs. So instead of thinking that AI is your competitor, start taking the advantage of these AI tools. These tools can give you a competitive advantage over the market by multiplying your efficiency. And if you want to take the advantage of AI, the first step that you must take is find out a tool that give you multiple effect on your efficiency. For example, ChatGPT. Earlier people have to put so much time and effort into the research. Now ChatGPT can do the same thing in hours. ChatGPT not only use in research, but it can also use to make the strategies, write social media post. And this is just tip of iceberg. AI are not limited to writing the social media post or doing the research. You can use Gamma or Tom to make presentation, Midjourney to create design, Adobe Podcast to remove the noise from your recorded voice, AI copy.ai to write better copies, Runaway for the professional video editing, and this list is endless. So instead of competing with AI tools, you can use these AI tools to multiply your efficiency and productivity or to upscale your business. The AI tool can give you the insane power to perform your job with so much efficiency. And if you act earlier, you can take the advantage of this wave of AI. And before I end this video, I would like to say this in a very clear word. AI will not replace the people. It will replace those who do not want to upgrade or do not want to know how to use AI.